No. Bata the lead para dito kay Michael Sessing. The good E1. Oh, sayang. That'll be coast to coast play para dito kay Wawi Yana. Magaling yung diskarte niya. Talagang hindi niya na pinakawalan nun kahit na meron kang kampe. That's easy diskarte lang. 50 shot lock. That's good, down to 10. Look at the ball possession. That is all good again para dito kay Michael Sessing. Oh! Huli! Sayang,